McKinsey creates some of the best visuals online. Here's how to make this one using just PowerPoint. So here's the dataset we'll be using for this demonstration. Now go to the Insert tab, select Chart, and choose a 100% stacked bar from the bar chart options. Expand the data window and update the cells with your data. Since we want to visualize this data in a way that clearly shows a comparative breakdown vertically rather than a single linear format, we'll organize the data into 3 columns, placing the first value in the first column, the middle values in the second, and the last value in the third column. In the first column, enter the displayed formula in the blank cell below, ensuring that the sum of the values above sets up the next category. Then, in the last cell of the second column, use the formula that ensures the combined total of all 3 columns equals 100%. Move to the third column and repeat this process for the remaining cells, making sure each row across all 3 columns sums up to 100% for accurate representation. To confirm accuracy, add the values across each row and verify that they total 100%. Once everything checks out, select the cells with your actual values, enter the Format Cell options, and apply your preferred fill colors to make the data cells easily identifiable and editable. When you're satisfied with the setup, close the data window. Now, right-click the vertical axis, enter the Format Axis options, and set the categories in reverse order. To clean up the chart, hide any unnecessary elements. With the chart cleaned up, select these bars and reduce the gap width to increase their size. After that, enter the Format Series options and change their colors to light gray. Highlight your actual value by changing the bar to your preferred color. Then enable the data label for the bar, ensure it's positioned at the inside end of the bar, and make the label visible by changing the text color. Move on to the next set of bars, so select them, customize their colors as needed, enable the data labels for the bars, then enter the data label options, hide the leader lines, and position the labels at the inside base of the bars. Next, delete the dummy data labels and maintain consistency by changing the colors of the dummy data bar to light gray. Move on to the last set of bars, maintaining consistency by changing their colors to light gray. Then select the actual value bar, change the color to your preference, then enable the data label for the bar, enter the label options, and hide the leader lines. With the chart now formatted, adjust the position of the data labels within the chart to ensure they're clearly visible and well aligned. Next, select the vertical axis, enter the format options, and remove the outline. Then increase the font size of the category labels. Now enable grid lines to assist with object alignment, select the chart, position it neatly on the slide, and adjust its size as needed. Finally, include titles and sources, then differentiate the bars visually to emphasize the key takeaway from your design.